Okay children, now we are going to perform the activity to find out perimeter. Okay, here in this picture you can see I have put my document file on the floor. You can see black color. So now we will measure the perimeter of this file. Perimeter means outer boundary of anything. So perimeter we can find out means we will take this boundary, this length from here to here, then this length, then we will take this length, then this length, means we will take a complete all around dimension and we will add it. Okay, so I am using a measuring tape. You can use a string also, then at the end you can measure the string. Okay, so here it is a measuring tape. You can see it is a measuring tape. So I am starting it from this side. You have to keep it at the boundary portion of the shape. So from 0 to it is exactly 16. Okay, this is 16 inch. If I am taking it in the form of centimeter, then here it is in centimeter. So it will be 0 to 41. Clear? So I am taking it in inches. It will be easy for you. So 0 to 16 inches. This is the length of one side, 0 to 16. Okay. Now I will measure it from this side. So it is exactly 11. You can see in the picture it is 11. So this side is 16. This one is 11. So definitely this will also be 16. Yes, you can see this is also 16. Why this is also 16? Because this is in a form of a rectangle. So definitely opposite side must be 16. Now take this one. Yes, sure. This is also 11. You can see this is 11. Clear? So we got the value 16, 16, 11, 11. Okay, so now we will find out its theoretical value. This file is something like this. It is in such a shape. Clear? So we know that this side was 16 inch. This was also 16 inches. This one 11 inches. And this one same 11 inches. So it is in the form of a rectangle. Rectangle. I am doing it roughly because we have done it properly in earlier session. So now we have to calculate perimeter. It is very simple. 2 into L plus B. L means length, B means breadth. So 2 as it is, length is our 16 plus breadth is 11. So 2 as it is, 16 and 11, 16 plus 10, 26 and 1, 27. It is 16 plus 11, 27. And when we will multiply 27 by 2, then it will become 54 inches. You can take this value in any form. It may be in centimeter, it may be in millimeter. It is totally up to you. Okay, so this is the activity for today. You have to find out area of anything. As I have find out the area of this document file, like this you can find out area of any big object also, means your garden, your bedroom tiles, means anything you can do, your reading table, study table, your TV, whatever you can do, you can find out any area, perimeter by using a string, by using a measuring tape, whatever. Or if you can't find such things, then you can use your scale also, geometry box scale also you can find out. Okay, so thank you very much. This was the activity for perimeter.